Not every miter saw that's in the marketplace has a laser on it, but I really like lasers. And part of the reason is accuracy, which is fine. A bigger reason is a safety thing, which is when a saw's got a laser, it shows you exactly where the blade is going to cut, so it gives you a great indicator of where your hand should not be. Now, if you own a miter saw that doesn't currently have a laser on it, all is not lost. This saw did not have one on it, but watch this. So here's the deal. There are available in the marketplace devices like this. This is basically just an arbor washer. In fact, it replaces the arbor washer on the machine. And what happens is that when we turn the saw on and this starts to spin, that motion, that centrifugal force, causes a switch to close, which causes a laser to come on, which shows the laser on your work. Now, the downside of these things, they're not fine-tunable. So if a saw came with a laser, in all likelihood, you can adjust it left to right to micro-adjust its position relative to the blade, so you can get a lot of accuracy on it. For accuracy, these aren't bad, but like I said, what I do really like is the safety aspect, which is whenever the blade is running, the laser's on. Now, that's a thing to think about. If the saw came with a laser and it's already built in, it's probably on all the time, or you can turn it on and off. So even when the blade is not running, the laser is being thrown on your work. In the case of these, because they require the blade to be spinning, the laser is only going to be on when the saw is on. A little bit of a downside. But I do like the fact that it throws a laser line on your material, directly in line with the saw blade, shows you where the blade is going to cut. So gives you that great idea of where your hand should not be. Look for these at woodworking specialty stores. Amazon.com carries them. Make sure that when you're going to get one, it is going to fit your particular model of saw so that you know it's going to work. It's a great addition to a miter saw.